Kidz Bop.
You've been You've been watching too much Kidz Bop.
You mean listening to it?
Are we having a dance party? You want some dance music?
Yes.
Dance music. What's the dance music?
Okay, hold on.
Ooh.
There you go.
I'd put on a better one actually.
Oh my god. Oh my god, she's crazy. Oh, we might need this one. Alright.
Daddy, watch!
I'm watching.
You have them?
I have 9.
Mommy, look!
I like the dark.
I'm watching.
Tell Mommy.
I'll tell her. She's talking to him.
Dance!
Tell us just what happened a minute ago.
She almost hit her head on the.
Oh, be careful.
Oh!
I'm leaving.
Oh, jeez. She's got such personality.
I know. Woo!
Ooh.
No, I'm gonna do that.
Do they have gloves here?
No.
Mommy, you're gonna say, Jerry Rutten! Okay?
I say what?
Then you need to say, Ava Willard!
Okay.
My name is Nicholas.
Up next to dance is.
Ava
No,
Willard.
you need to come on the stage.
Oh no.
Oh, you gotta introduce her.
And up next is Ava Willard. Oh, come out behind here. Up next is Ava Willard.
Mommy, you need to be like
All right, we gotta go.